Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Insert Creative Series title name here. I'm Bree and this is my YouTube channel, Bree Fierce. So, I have not done a lot. Um, obviously there's my hut. All I did, I added these 2 chests and just kind of cleared my inventory because we are going to go gather the materials that I need. So, yeah, that's where we're going. So, not really much to intro there. We go this way because it was somewhere this direction, I think. Also, if you guys see my head turning a lot, I'm kind of keeping an eye on my CPU usage. Just don't want to be like attempting to run through an area and you guys are getting big jumped mass laggy spots, because that would not be fun for you. And I recognize that. So, you see my head kind of tossing. Yes, I toss my head. Turning back and forth a lot. I'm just kind of trying to make sure I see and keep an eye on that. Um, it should be okay, but just in case, I really don't want bad quality for you guys. I also really don't want to do this again. Episode 2 and all. Because it was a pain in the butt. If there are some laggy spots, I do apologize. It's my camera is here. Hi, camera. Then I have my computer over here and game right here. So there's a lot of back and forth. So if there is some lag that I've missed and didn't stop moving in time and allow for things to catch up, I do apologize. But hopefully that's not going to happen. As I said before, the terracotta is probably the biggest thing that I need, just because it is a lot more difficult to find, like, in a weird way. You find a mesa and you're good to go, which luckily I did. But know what else I just realized? I left my bed. That wasn't smart. So, just kidding, y'all. Detour. We're gonna come check this thing out and hopefully not get attacked by a drown. I do think I'm gonna need some light green dye, so this actually works perfect. I can pick up some sea pickles in this area as well. But for right now, I'm going to apparently very slowly swim across the ocean. Very slowly. Try to make it to this area where I can hijack a bed. Please don't have a trident. Oh, now the dolphin show. Now the dolphin show. And if I seem a little quieter on camera today, it's oh, danger. Whoa, lots of danger. More danger. Camel! It's a camel! You have a bed. Y'all have a bed. Y'all have a bed. What poisoned me? Why do I have poison? Why is there not a bed in here? And what is the purpose of that? Okay, so that was useless. You're useless. Y'all, where are the beds? Are you what poisoned me? You husks poison? Alright, I'm taking your bed. Wait, how long am I poisoned for? Can I go? Why aren't y'all burning? I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I go. It's a camel. Okay, at some point I'm gonna need to play in my personal world and find a camel because I need one now. I must ride it into battle. Minecraft needs mooses. I want to ride a moose in the battle. You know, I probably should have, taken that bed with me. Probably would have been smart. Because this is a very long swim across the ocean. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. We're going to pick up some terracotta because I need a lot of terracotta. And I need the plain terracotta so that I can dye it. Hold up, y'all. I need to check something. This is not everything. I know this isn't everything. Where's the concrete powder? Where's the... Hold up, y'all. I need to check something. Yeah. Set that down for a second. Let me check. Okay. Had kind of a brain fart there. wanted to make sure before I did a thing, wanted to make sure that picking up this plain terracotta, I can dye it without having to, like, basically I can take this, mix it with dye, and it do the thing that I need it to do. Been a while since I've done it, or worked with terracotta. Usually I don't because, like, the colors can be kind of muted, and some of the things I do work with the muted colors and some of them don't. So, but I just wanted to be sure and double check before I, wasted everybody's time. I brought backups. So, now we just are going to mine all of this. So this is going to be, terracotta is going to be used in probably all three aspects, elements, call it what you will, parts of my build. So I need quite a bit. Uh, Concrete is going to be another main part of my build. So just for the more vibrant colors and, won't catch on fire if struck by lightning. So, because wool would probably be quicker. I admit that. But concrete is going to just gonna withstand the test of time. This is gonna take forever. Okay. Will not take as long as mining the clay out of the riverbeds. I mean, it's still just gonna take a while. You don't know what I mean? I know what I mean. I'm basically just going to collect terracotta right now until I either run out of room or run out of pickaxe. And go from there. So, oh, I apologize greatly, y'all, for the awkward silence. Doesn't mean I know how to fill it, but apologies for the awkward silence. I have to sneeze. That's not a color I wanted. You're taking up unwanted space in my inventory. Yeah, I still don't know how to fill said awkward silence. Into the hub?
Jar.
The jar?
Yeah.
Oh. So, I, I'm bad at filling the awkward silence right now, but that will not be a thing for long because I actually got a little bucket thing to hold, we call it the awkward silence jar. And it is to hold. I also kind of forgot I was supposed to be watching the computer over here, so sorry if any of this was like super laggy. Um, so we have a jar, bucket, what have you, that is going to hold random topics in it, and anytime there is an awkward silence, my significant other is going to basically shove the jar in front, jar, bucket, what have you, in front of the camera if he's able to, and I pull a topic, and that is what I talk about to fill the awkward silence. So, but it doesn't help until I actually get said jar together. So, work through the night. Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh. I think I just woke my child up. What? Why? No! 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 Holy crap! Oh my gosh! I don't want to be here anymore. I want to go home. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Y'all, bad things are happening, y'all. Bad things are happening. Very bad things are happening. Very, very, very bad things are happening. Alright, alright, alright. Give me a safe spot. Give me a safe spot. Give me a safe spot. That's not a safe spot. None of this is a safe spot. Uh-oh. 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 Six. Eat. Sorry, y'all. I'm scanning the water for drowns. Trying to scan the water for drowns. One and one of them has a trident, so very quickly go this way. Though they can swim a lot faster than I can right now. Pause for a sec. Red. Up, 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 up. Run, run, run as fast as you can. Catch me. I'm stealing your bed again. Alright, y'all, that was fun. Now then, let's see you. I don't need you. I'll take the bread and the green dye. Alright, let's go. Now let's go. You know, some dolphins would be a nice thing to have right now. Give my swimming a little pep in its step while I swim across the ocean. Get back to doing what I was doing. Now let's finish out this pickaxe. Get the terracotta. And go from there. I don't know how far this is going to get me on what we're starting with, but it's enough to at least get us started. I think right now that's the best that we can hope for. So, at least get us started. I'm trying not to go too long in the episode length. Trying to keep it kind of like an episode of a TV show on Hulu or Netflix or something, you know, ad-free streaming things, you know, just trying to keep it, you know, about that long. Because sometimes you don't have a whole hour, but you have just an hour, you know, before you have to walk out the door or what have you. Having these episodes be a little less than an hour, it's like, okay, you've got time for a quick episode and then enough time to run through your mental checklist of everything you need before you run out the door. So, thought it might be that was just kind of a good time frame to fit in, is somewhere around the 45-ish minutes. You know, might be 42, might be 47. But somewhere thereabouts, I feel like is a good time frame to kind of stick in. So, and we are out of pickaxe, and this is all the terracotta we've got. Could be worse. How did I do that? There we go. Okay. Nice, pretty, even. Also know I'm going to need concrete, but I don't need that yet. But I do have all the shovels in my inventory. But I'm not even going to be remotely close to needing that yet, so. You know what, let's just get started with the terracotta we've got. I've got a bed over here for snoozing. By snoozing, I mean setting spawn when I'm over here. So, watch on some bread. Sword in my hand like I'm going to use it on the run. That was dark. Why did I... Okay, so sometimes brains don't work like they're thought to work. Oh, they're so pretty. Pretty puppies are like my new favorite thing. And the camels. But I will be so excited when they add a moose. If they add a moose. I need to get in touch with people and tell them to add a moose. I should probably also get out of this tree before I hurt myself. What if I go to that tree? Man, I ain't got time for this. I think I took a wrong turn somewhere. Hey, I need that flower. Yes, sister. Okay. Got some easy listening, gonna put you to sleep Minecraft music over here. Alright, so now that we are back, we're going to steal this random piece of dirt. Because we're doing the thing now. And let's get started. Time to introduce y'all to the book. This is the book. I know y'all can't see anything very well, that's on purpose. This is the notebook. It's a graph paper notebook where I plot out all of my designs. Nope, I messed up. So, there's this stuff for making this stuff. Don't need the green terracotta yet. That's later. So what I am currently making is a flower pot that is going to hold my flower. Obviously, because what else goes in a flower pot? So this is the base, and it's going to like slowly expand and, you know, kind of like a flower pot. Also, it's not going to be hollow. I'm not taking... Well, I was going to say I'm not taking the easy way out. But... Oh, excuse me. Sorry, y'all. I don't want it to be hollow. I'll probably regret that when I'm having to fill it with dirt, because that's what goes in a flower pot. But right now, that's besides the point. Fancy Notebook says... make this 3 high from this one. Should be a total of 4, correct? You're going to want to move because you're going to get stuck. I don't know how far this is going to get me, but I don't think it's going to be enough to fill the pot, or to make the pot. But we shall find out. Be able to get me a few layers. So far, doing pretty good on time. We've made quite a bit of progress. Which, for this first series, to just kind of me get a little bit more comfortable with everything. And just kind of, because this is very much outside of my comfort zone. So, not the build, the recording and everything is just kind of way outside of my comfort zone. But I've really been kind of wanting to do it for a while, just didn't even know like what kind of content I would create until a few months ago. So never really talked about it. So, but I'm the type of person I don't really put myself out there very much. So this is actually a huge step for me. And I'm kind of liking how well everything is working out for like this first series and everything. It's working out fairly well. The materials almost magically appeared where I needed them to. And if I ever get any of Captain Sparkles' followers following me, if y'all say something called check the mods folder, I have absolutely no idea what that is or even where to find it. Just gonna be honest there for a second. Alright, so now this one goes up 3 from, wait, 1, 2, 4 in total. Right? It's my design. I know what I'm doing. It's just... 1, 2. Okay, so 2 more on that level. Yeah, yeah, should be 2 more on that level. Now I have to get back up there. Get back up there. Let's go. Take some dirt. Okay, that'll be enough for the time being. It's gonna do that maneuver and that maneuver. So, 2 more, I believe is what I counted. Then it should do that. And then go up 4 again. That should be how it do. I made the design, so you would think I know what I'm doing. I kind of know what I'm doing. But it's one thing having the design on paper, and then it's a completely different thing to actually be like building your design. Because, like, on paper, you can kind of see what you're aiming for, whereas building it, you have to be able to, like, step back and, okay, is this right? Is this matching? You know? So, just kind of a whole different ball game, if you will. So when I drew this design, I had this going a lot bigger than this. But now I'm kind of looking at this like, does it need to go bigger? But I am sticking with my design. And yeah. Okay, so now we come over here, just kind of take a look at this. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a giant flower pot. Right? I see a giant flower pot. I mean, that might be because I know that that's what it's supposed to be, but I see a giant flower pot. Do I want to make that bigger like my design has? Well, I don't know if we want to go any bigger than that. You know what? Let's sleep on it. I don't really think we're going to want to go any bigger. I mean, unless I finished out this and then did the little lip after that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So, two more at this level. And then make the outer kind of lip. Okay, so this episode might go a smidgen longer than the, 45-ish minutes I was just saying I'd aim at. Because we're at 42, but I want to see how close I can get to finishing. Because I've got this one stack of terracotta left. See, let me hope, pray. This is not gonna work out in my favor, is it? Pride. Phooey. Pain in the butt. So I may have time to do this part, but I think I'm gonna need to be able to add that extra layer to actually make that lip that is kind of at the top of a terracotta flower pot. I mean, I'm not even gonna be able to finish going around. That's where we're at right now. 3, 2, 1. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I need 4 more to be able to go to be able to finish around this. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna have to. Yeah, we are just going to have to finish this next time. But we are making progress, and progress is always a good thing. So, with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. That way you can see when these videos do drop. And feel free to follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, at the Bree Fierce. Thank y'all so much. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.